Okay, hi guys. And this AI bartender, our product BreakReal. Okay, AI bartender. Yeah, and you can talk with our AI. What kind of flavor do you want?
And
yeah,
so I can just say I want
yeah.
I want the spicy pina colada with the.
Yes, you can say.
Can you make me a pina colada?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please, right. You can you can make sweet fruit cocktail. Yeah.
And you send it.
Yeah, and send it. And our AI will think about your natural language and do your personal recipes for you. You can say this is recommend this if you like it, and this our
I
AI
like it.
recommend it. If you like it, just start it. Okay, start it.
It's working now?
Yes, and our product will do it automatically. Yes, you can. Wow, you can do it automatically. Yes. Come on.
So it needs to have all the different ingredients in the back?
Yes, there are eight ingredients you can put in, and our AI will remember the flavor of every ingredient and your need to do it automatically. Yes.
How's it taste?
How is it taste? You can try it after it's finished. Yeah.
So it can be with alcohol, without alcohol?
Okay, it's all okay. No alcohol, and beverage coffee is okay. Some coffee is also okay, and you can
Multi-channel pumps, valves,
yes, and
sensors.
Our sensor can know which ingredients you have and control precisions for every ingredient to make things. So keep our taste is very robust and very delicious for your needs. Yes.
Is this the price?
Yes, it's the price. Yes. If you want, you can order it by the very early, super early bird. And in this platform, this platform is on Kickstarter.
Can you show inside how it works? How it looks?
Okay. Yeah, you can say it's finished. It's finished.
Nice.
And if you want, you can put it and drinking is okay.
Can we look inside?
Okay. And
or secret how it works?
Yeah, okay. And there are 8 ingredients. You can see 8 ingredients, and every ingredient you just open it and put in the ingredients, whatever you want.
Nice.
Yes, whatever you want, and just open it is okay. And how the machine know which ingredients use this function like this. And the mode cocktail, by mode you just click I'm very sad or very sad, or I'm very happy, and create your mode cocktails. For example, I'm very happy, but also very want to sleep. I'm very tired, so it can craft your cocktails. You can see, read your mode and design your cocktail.
These different ingredients in there, where do you get them?
Okay.
How do you get what you put inside?
Okay, in this, our ingredients in this use scan with camera. For example, you want to put a new ingredient, just click this and scan the QR like this. For example, is skin.
You just scan the front or the QR code?
You just scan this.
And it will understand exactly what it is.
Yeah, understand. Yes, you can see. Click. It's drying. Wow, our database have the flavor brand and the alcohol degree to understand the flavor to design.
And all the different fruits, juices, and everything.
Yes.
You can do the same.
Yes.
With all of them, you just scan this, and the app will understand exactly what is inside.
Like the juice is okay. You can just have this. Every beverage have this. And you can scan this. Our AI will learn and understand this juice.
It can recommend you what to order.
Yes.
You can order online, deliver to your house, and then you just put it in.
Yes. Yes, the AI will recommend according to your taste.
Is it cold, fresh? It doesn't make the ice cubes. You need to add ice cubes.
Cold. We have a cooling system, refrigerator there. You can see it. Open it there. There is refrigerator. You can see. You can this part is the refrigerator cooling system. You can see this in this cooling system.这个网
It's good cooling.
Yes, cooling. And in this, you can adjust the cooling degree. You can see this. You can control the cooling. Yes, the free temperature. 你看，这个 temperature of 8, 9, 10 or 3, 0. You can control the freezer temperature. Yes, you can see.
Nice.
But yes, and
is this Android?
Yes. The freezer and the control the LED and whatever you can control and to do this. Keep
Nice.
your very perfect flavor for you. Yeah.
So some people really love cocktails, and it's too much work to make the cocktail. So you can just get a robot. The robot will make the cocktail for you.
Yes, we want to put it for families party. Different your friends and your family can make their own cocktails. They very love the cocktails. They don't need to waste many time to learn. You just to enjoy it. You just to see it. Our AI will understand and totally do it for you. You just test it.
Can this be useful for restaurant or bar, professional restaurant or bar, to add it in their restaurant? And people can make many cocktails.
Yes, but we are not want to replace the bartender. It's not.
So it's more for home.
Yeah, just for home, and we want to connect cocktail lover community. If you like, for example, if you like these cocktails, you can share your cocktails to different countries people. The different countries people can download your recipe and can share. For example, when I'm in China, I'm in Japan, I'm in Australia, the people can use this recipe. So different countries people can connect with the cocktail.
I think probably the pumps and the valves need to be cleaned. How do you clean it?
It's auto clean.
Cleaning.
Yes, you just to clean. You just to.
No need to add the soap.
Yes.
Special product for cleaning.
We have a new technology. The new technology can transfer the water to ozone water. Ozone water can kill the bacteria and the dirty things. So in this, you just put the water transfer to the ozone water. Ozone water. The ozone water can clean this. Yes. If you are interested, I can share with you our video. A video
I will link to it.
Video show this.
In the description, I will link to this so people can watch.
Okay. And this is our platform, and our brand is BreakReal. Yeah, it's brand name.
Kickstarter.
Yeah,
it's already started the Kickstarter.
And we have launched in Kickstarter. And if you are interested, you can follow our Kickstarter. Yeah.